After the successful installation of SAP Performance Management for Financial Services, perform the following steps before making any customizing settings or installing sample business content. First is setting namespaces. First thing to do is setting up of namespace and its corresponding BW generation namespace to changeable. To do this, call up transaction SE03, go to Administration folder, and choose Set System Change option. Within the namespace or name range section, locate the namespace with prefix /B108/ and set it to modifiable. Within the same section, locate the namespace with prefix /NXI/ also set it to modifiable. Within the same section, locate the namespace with prefix /BIC and set it to modifiable. Within the same section, locate the namespace or name range customer name range. Set it to modifiable. Within the software component section, locate the software component with the technical name home. Also set it to modifiable. The same with local. Save the changes. Last thing to do is to set up /B108/ as the BW generation namespace for /NXI/namespace. To do this, call out transaction SE16, in the table name field, write RSP SPACE. Choose Create button, and an empty line appears in the BW Partner namespace section. On namespace field, set it to /NXI. On namespace gen field, set it to /B108/. On BWAPPL field, set it to BW. And on active field, set it to X. Save your entries. Now, namespaces have been set.